Hi guys, ICA has surprised all of us. Yes, the May 2025 schedule for CA Inter is out. ICA is ready. Are you ready for the exam? Let me start off this discussion with a small quote, guys. 90 days of focus for a lifetime of success. You're not getting it right. You're thinking what we can do in 90 days. Let me give you an example. Look at this. What can you see here? This is Tesla's Gigafactory, which Elon Musk and team planned and executed the major part of this factory in just 90 days. So, if a factory can be built in 90 days, if you can focus, can you plan and ace the May 2025 exams? Let me correct you. Sorry, I don't want to plan. How long will we plan? Let us have an action for May 2025 exams, and here I am going to give you guidance for the next 90 days. We all have to start now, and it is already late. I want you guys to surrender yourself to me. I'm sorry, not surrender yourself to me. I want you to surrender yourself to us. What are you saying, sir? Who is us? All these days I am only seeing you. Now we have come with one of the best teams in India. Like that, I will not say. We have come with the greatest team. We have legends in the team. Like that, I will not say, guys. I will just tell you who is there in this team, who is going to help you for the next 90 days, and what are we going to do. Stay tuned. We have one CA who's All India rank 10 in CA final. We have chartered accountants in our team who has worked in Deloitte, KPMG, Grant Thornton, PwC, all these big fours. All the team members who's going to help you are chartered accountants, and additionally we also have company secretary. Small hint, that could be me along with the team members. We have CAs who have also done CPA Australia, and we also have a CA who has produced 300 plus students to pass in one attempt in CA Inter in offline class, and he is coming to help everybody online. Sir, who is this team, sir? I will not tell again, it is the best team. You decide what team it is for you. So, what I am going to do now is I am going to give you an action for the next 90 days. You might be having doubts as to, sir, what to watch, sir, when to watch, sir, when to revise, sir, for the exam. I am confused about the next 90 days. I am a little scared for the next 90 days. I have lot of time, but I am confused. You don't have to build a gigafactory. You just have to plan well to become a CA. And for this, I am introducing for you guys two new terms for the first time from our side. For you to become the CA of your life and of your family, the CA classroom is bringing to you two things that will help you guys. One is called Fusion subscription, and the other one is called subscription. Let me brief to you what is going to be in both of this and who has to pick what. If you are writing your exam in May or in September, doesn't matter, one of these will touch your lives. For the first time ever, guys, for the first time ever, for CA students who undergo so much stress, we are going to give you not just the stress, we will also give you the support for the stress so that you are ready for the exam. Let me talk about Fusion subscription first. What is this Fusion subscription? It will come with 5 things, everything at one place. We are building an ecosystem. Like how Apple has an ecosystem, this is going to be your ecosystem for CA classes, everything at one place. When I was a student, I had to go for multiple classes and multiple tests at different places. We are giving you at one single simple price, just to one price you will pay, and you will surrender yourself to us for the next 90 days, where we will be giving you these 5 things. You will get access for all classes, regular and workout, crash, no need to get separately. You will get access for everything. You will also be given a schedule. What is this schedule, sir? For the next 90 days, what to watch, when to watch, when to revise, along with revision. In Fusion subscription, you will have this 2+1 month plan. I will talk about that, but I'm just giving you a brief here. You will get schedule. Towards the last 1 month, it's so important to write mock test. So you will also be given mock test along with evaluation. No need to pay anything extra. You will also be given mentoring from experts. Who are the experts? I just showed you the team some time back. We will also have mentoring sessions with them. Who are they? Wait till the end. I will reveal the surprise then. You will also be given mental health support. Sir, I don't need any mental health support, sir. What do I need? Nothing. In these 90 days for your exam, whenever you find any challenges, we will keep conducting frequent mental health workshops, online and offline group activities, where we will come and do things other than studies for all of you. So these 5 things is what I called the Fusion subscription, the fusion in your life to become the CA, the dream for you. Sir, what is this subscription, sir? I will come to that. So you can go to the website and you can check out Fusion subscription at very affordable prices for students, group 1, group 2 and both the groups. For example, if I go for group 1, all the details are given here. What is the views, what is the validity, 2+1, mock test, mental health support. You can buy with or without hard copy. All the details are given over here. Now I want to talk to you about what is subscription. Sir, I don't need daily schedule, sir. I already studied to an extent. I just need accounts consolidation. In tax, I want some supply concepts. In audit, I want some SA 300, some support. Some here and there, some topics I want to watch, sir. So for you guys, you have subscription validity of 1 month, where you will get regular and workout classes of the entire group. You will also get mentoring in this one group, and you will also get mental health support in this one group. Schedule and mock test will not be given, because in 1 month, what schedule can I give you? What mock test I can give you? So those who are planning for themselves, you can take this subscription where you will just get access to all the classes. Sir, what is the pricing, sir? You just have to come to the CA Classroom website and scroll down, and you will see CA Inter subscription for both the groups. The pricing is very affordable. It is just 4,000 rupees. We are at a launch, so I'm giving you at the most economical prices, guys, at just rupees 4,000 rupees for 31 days validity for entire group 1. Similarly, if you want it for group 2 also, you will have validity for 31 days. Now, who are the faculties here? This is the set of faculties, guys. All CAs. For accounts and law, it is going to be me. I'm sure you already know the accounts and law classes. Now it comes with schedule, mentoring, mental health support. For direct taxes, we have CA Rahul Agarwal, who has been the manager in taxation in Deloitte and also heads a company called Randstad India as the head of taxation for a company with more than 60,000 employees. I told you there is one CA who produced 300 plus students to pass in just one attempt. CA ANM sir, Anish Noor Mohammed sir. He is going to bring all his expertise into online, giving you schedule, assignment, etc. All India rank 10 for Group 2 costing, we have CA Tabish sir. Then for auditing and SM, we have CA CPA Niveda Shankar, who's also a CPA and also worked in KPMG. This is our team, guys. You can go through the team over here who will support you for Fusion subscription and subscription. So this is about it, guys. Let's plan, start now and execute for the next 90 days and conquer May 2025 exams. I will come up with detailed explanation for you guys, giving you the schedule, etc. All that separate, but let's start off for May 25. Thank you.